Hi there, students. Lascivious, lascivious, an adjective. Lasciviousness, the noun. Lasciviously, the adverb. Okay, lascivious is an adjective that describes something that expresses strong sexual desire, desire for sex. So he winked at her lasciviously. Yeah. Let's see. Normally, this word lascivious is negative. Yeah. It's going. Yeah. So the magazine contained lascivious pictures. Yeah. So something that expressed lust or lecherousness. Yeah, or something that's salacious, that expresses sexual desire. Let's see. Lascivious behaviour. Yeah, this is a term they use legally. Lascivious behaviour is when somebody does something that's considered crude and offensive. It's against local moral standards. Yeah, it's against appropriate behaviour. So it means lewd, indecent, lecherous. Yeah. Quite an interesting thing I found out while I was researching this is the offence of lascivious cohabitation. Okay, to cohabitation is when you live with your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Yeah, so lascivious cohabitation, living with a member of the opposite sex or having sex with them before you get married. Well, believe it or not, this was a crime in Florida, Michigan and Mississippi until 2015. Wow. Pornography could be described as lascivious. Yeah. Trying to pick up a prostitute could be defined as lascivious, or some sort of indecent act like exposing yourself in public. Yeah, indecent exposure. Okay, so lewd and lascivious behaviour. Inordinate interest in sex, something related to sex. Okay, so he told some very lascivious jokes. Notice nearly always we're using this word lascivious in a negative way. Something that's immoral. Yeah, it's lewd, it's wanton. Yeah, it's prurient, lecherous, licentious, indecent, crude, bawdy, vulgar, immoral and pornographic. Yeah. The man was a lascivious pervert who lusted after children. He gave me a lascivious look. Okay, so let's see. Lascivious. Okay. Devoted to sex, somebody who's obsessed with sex. So maybe teenage boys are obsessed with lascivious thoughts. Yeah, but she gave me a lascivious look or a lascivious wink. There clearly it's probably not negative, a sexy wink or a sexy look. But normally this word lascivious, it's saying it's not a good thing. Yeah. So feeling or revealing open sexual interest or open sexual desire. Yeah. He's a lascivious pervert. Yeah. The lewd and lascivious pictures are in the art gallery. Okay, so lascivious, something that tends to excite lust, something that promotes sex. Yeah, a lascivious gesture. Okay, formality. This is a formal word. I think I'm probably going to give it a 7 in formality maybe even a 7.5. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. Lewd, lecherous, crude, something like that. I don't think I would even use it in a semi-formal conversation. Use it in a semi-formal writing or something above that informality. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin, lasciviosus, from lascivia, lustfulness. Okay, so yeah, it's very, very definitely it hasn't changed. Yeah, well, lascivious behaviour for the Romans was a bit of fun. So, lascivious. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lascivious.